Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you have lost your bookmarks that are up here, let's say that you clicked on here and then you went to your bookmarks section. And then from here you're going to click on show all bookmarks. And so let's say I'm going to delete this one and then this one. Now, to recover it, we have two options. We can either click on the top right for the dots and then click on settings. And then from the settings, you can click on sync and Google services. And you're going to make sure that your sync is turned on. So if it's not, then it's going to be showing a button right here that says turn sync on. And so if you delete them from one computer, on your phone, your bookmarks are probably still there. So once you click on turn on the sync, or you can just turn it off and then turn it on back again, then that will make sure that you are just fully signed in and it will recover all the bookmarks that you need. Another way you can fix this solution is by going back to your settings right here in the computer, and then you're going to search for run, and then you're going to search for local app data, percentage sign between, and then click OK. It's going to open this file right here. From here, you're going to search for Google. Once search for Google, click on Chrome. Once you go to Chrome, click on user data. And then from user data, you're going to find either called profile 1 or profile 12 or default. So if this is your only account, just click on default. And then once you click on default, you can scroll all the way down and you can see two files, bookmark and bookmark.buck. So all you have to do is to rename this one to bookmarks.old. And then the new one for bookmarks.buck, you're going to just rename it as bookmarks. And once you do this, it's going to recover it and go back to your Google Chrome and should be all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.